Assalamualaikum. Today the six of us will be presenting our mobile group project called MindGuard. So the six of us group members consist of Amir, Aiman, myself Hazim, Hafiz, Bishri and Firdaus. So what is MindGuard? MindGuard is basically our mobile app that gives a platform to caregivers to monitor their patients. So the problem statement we came up with was patients wandering into unsafe or unfamiliar areas. The real-time monitoring tools that currently exist also is not reliable, as well as delayed caregiver responses using the manual method.
So this is a project objectives. We go to the first project objective is to design a mobile-based safety monitoring system for individuals with mental health conditions. The second one is to develop a mental health patients location monitoring mobile application, and the last one is to evaluate the app's functionality in monitoring mental health patients location through testing. So we go to the next slide, which is app main feature. We have about 5, which is the first one is continuous real-time location. So the patient's latest GPS location is continuously updated and stored in the cloud, so caregivers can view real-time movement on the map. The second one is safe zone monitoring with alerts. Caregivers can set a safe zone by defining a center point and radius. The system checks whether the patient is inside or outside the safe zone. The third one is location history logging. The system stores travel history records in the cloud, including timestamps and location details. The fourth one is map-based visualization. The cloud-based alert mechanism records and sends notification automatically when key events occur. These events include when patients exit the safe zone, re-enters the safe zone, and when the caregivers update the safe zone settings. The last one is Telegram alert notification. So notifications are delivered through Telegram to ensure caregivers receive alerts quickly even if they are not actively using the MindGuard application.
Hello, my name is Aiman Hafizuddin bin Muhammad Marman, and I will be continuing the presentation with the next slides. The next slide is technologies overview of the mobile application. So for our front end, we use Flutter framework. For our back end, which is the database, we use Firebase real-time database. We also use the Firebase authentication for our users account, which is the caregiver and the patient account. And next, we will have a real-time monitoring using Google Maps API. We also have alerts for notification using Telegram API. So what is the benefit of each of those technologies to our users? So for Firebase authentication, it secure login and control. It ensures secure login and control system access for registered users. It also minimizes security risks associated with unmanaged authentication logic. It reduced development overhead by using a ready-to-integrate authentication component. For Firebase database, it allows centralized storage for latest location, safe zone setting, travel history, and alerts. It also improved the availability of monitoring records across multiple devices. It also supports long-term storage for analysis of movement patterns and unusual activity. Next, for Google Maps API, it displays patient location in real time through a visual map interface. It improved the interpretability compared to text-based coordinates. Google Maps API also supports safe zone boundary visualization for fast monitoring decisions. For Telegram notification, the benefits are deliver immediate alerts for safe zone exit, safe zone re-entry, and safe zone updates. It also improves caregiver response time even when the app is not active. Lastly, Telegram adds an additional communication layer to reduce misalert. That is all from me, and I will be passing to the next member to do the application demo. Thank you.
Organization which is we call MindGuard to monitor notification. So this is the login page. So I will show you. So first of all, we need to create an account. And then we need to fill all the box. So we put human. Password is 123. Age is 70. And for account type, we have to type which is caregiver education. So I will choose caregiver. Create account. So we need to fill the email address again. Password is. So as you can see, the login is filled because the password is wrong. So I will put the correct password. So as you can see, so this is the list of patients. So I will add a patient. So this is our patient. Then I will add, and then it will show. So this is our patient, which is name is Maya. So when I click, it will go to the caregiver dashboard, which will have life map, history, summary, and alerts. So this is the caregiver dashboard. So this page is life map to see the live location of the patient. So this is the safe zone. So this is the location of the patient. So in this page, we can set a user, like for the example like this. And then it will send you notification from Telegram. So you can see safe zone update by caregiver, safe zone move 271 meter to a new location. So so this is travel history of the patient. So we have normal movement and outside season. So this is filter for normal movement only, and this is the unusual if the patient is outside from the season.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Abzuddin, and now I will continue on my part. So this is the page for the caregiver dashboard summary, where caregivers can quickly understand the patient's movement behavior. At the top, the summary section shows an overview of the patient's activity data. It includes the total number of records, the number of normal movements, unusual movement, and unusual activity detected today. This helps caregiver quickly see whether the patient's movement are mostly safe or may need attention. Below that, the dashboard displays the most visited place, which show where the patient usually spends most of their time. This is useful for understanding the patient's daily routine. When we scroll down, we can see the peak activity time, which indicate the hour when the patient is most active based on the travel history. Under this, the activity insight section provides a simple breakdown of movement behavior, including the percentage of normal movement, unusual movement, and test visit frequency. And the next page is the activity alert section. Here, caregiver can filter to view all alerts and safe zone alert, where it show the patients enter or leave the safe zone, and also user can see the caregiver can see the update alert filter, where caregiver can update the patient on the live map by pressing and holding a location on the live map, and the caregiver and the patient will receive notification in Telegram sent by bot mental health, and it will show the update notification in the update section in activity alert. So now we try log in the patient account, which is Maya. So this is the patient view. The patient can only access the live map and see the safe zone. This keeps the interface simple and focused without showing the detailed analysis or history. At the top, of the LifeMed, a notification alert is displayed to inform the patient when they leave the safe zone. This helps the patient stay aware of their current location and safety status. And as you can see in this example, the patient is currently outside the safe zone, which trigger an alert. Once patient exit the safe zone, a notification is automatically sent through the mental health telegram bot. This notification will be sent to the patients and the caregiver.
So this is our database, MindGuard database. You can see we have alerts, caregiver patient, which is to link caregiver and patient, the latest location of the patient, safe zone travel history, unusual movement summary, and the users.
So to conclude this project, it was a success in creating a mobile application by the name of MindGuard that was able to increase the safety and tracking of persons with mental health issues. The introduction of GPS-based location tracking, the monitoring of safe zones, cloud storage, and instant notification mechanism provides the system with the means to fill the major gaps of modern monitoring practices. MindGuard will allow caregivers to see the location of patients in real time, see movement history, and they will be notified immediately whenever patient breakouts of the safe zones that were established. Cloud application like Firebase Authentication and Firebase Database is used to guarantee access, control, and central storage of data. Visualization is done using the Google Maps API that offers an efficient map-based representation. Also, the notification in Telegram provides an efficient external notification channel that facilitates timely intervention even with a dormant application. In general, MindGuard shows that it is a viable, scalable solution towards enhancing patient safety, caregiver awareness, and emergency response in mental health care.